What's up guys, my name's Kaylin, welcome back to my channel, and today we are doing the Fall DIY and Decor Challenge being hosted by Christina, also known as the DIY Mommy. I will have a link in the description below to her channel as well as a link to the playlist in the description and at the end of the video so you can go binge watch everybody else's videos, see what everyone came up with. I'm so excited to do another one of these challenges. And today we are turning this bowling pin. My mom owns an antique store and got some of these in, and I was like, I need one. I want to do something with it. And so I was like, I'm going to turn it into a scarecrow. So to get started, I just took some brown paint. We have a dark brown for the top, lighter brown for the bottom. The top's going to be covered, but I wanted to at least put some paint on it so when you could see through the burlap, you weren't seeing straight to the bowling pin. So I just did some dark brown on the top and then some light brown on the bottom where his face is going to be. Once that part was done, I just took this it's like 16 inches by 16 inches square of dark brown burlap, and that's going to be his little floppy hat. So all I did was take it and start draping it over the top of the pin, and from there you can kind of just play with it and make sure it's going to lay the way you want it to at the bottom. Just kind of bunch it up on the top, and then I just used a piece of twine to hold it into place. Next up, I just took a piece of fall ribbon that I had around here, cut it down to size, and then just folded it in half, wrapped it around the top, around where the twine is, and hot glued it into place. And then these flowers I had from a bouquet from a project from last year, I just cut 2 of them off and hot glued them into place on top of the hat. Just kind of added a cute little finishing touch. Now that his hat's done, we can move on to his hair. I had this straw around here. As you can tell, as soon as my cats heard it, they were all about it. So they were trying to play with it more than I was at this point. But anyway, I just took the straw and cut it down to approximate size for the length for the hair. I figured I could give him a little haircut later if it was too long. So I just cut down some pieces and then started gluing them around the bowling pin, just leaving space in the front so we could paint his face on. Love it. It turned out so cute. I feel like I can relate because I feel like I have very thick curly hair that tends to look something along these lines in the morning, so I felt like I could relate to the little guy. But after we were done with the hair, then I went ahead and started sketching on the face. So just grabbed a pencil, started sketching it out, and then once I had it the way I wanted it, I just went in with some acrylic paint and painted on his little face. And to finish him up, I just went in, put the final 2 little white dots in his eyes, and that's all there is to our little scarecrow bowling pin. I absolutely love how he turned out. I think he's adorable. He was really fun to do, and I feel like he needs a name. So leave me a comment down below. Let me know if you have any cute names for this little guy. He currently has a home on the hutch in my dining room, and I feel like he just puts a smile on my face every time I see him. So this was a super fun challenge. Thank you to Christina again for hosting this. I will have that link in the description below, or you can click in the top right corner here to check out all the other videos in the playlist. Click on the bottom right to take you to another one of my videos. If you enjoyed this, leave a like. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe. I'd love to have you as part of my adventure. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you on the next adventure.